Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Etsy shop branding with cohesive banners and logos, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current branding. Take note of the elements that need improvement. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Research successful Etsy shops for branding inspiration. Decide on a color palette that represents your brand identity. Choose fonts that align with your shop's aesthetic. Create a mood board to visualize your design concepts. Design a cohesive logo that reflects your brand's personality. Use online tools like Canva or Adobe Spark for easy logo creation. Ensure your logo is versatile for different formats. Next, focus on your shop banner. Determine the ideal banner size for Etsy. Design your banner to complement your logo. Incorporate your color palette and chosen fonts into the banner. Keep the design clean and avoid overcrowding. Add your shop name prominently to capture attention. Preview the banner in Etsy's shop settings to ensure clarity. Once your banner and logo are ready, upload them to your Etsy shop. Check how they appear on both desktop and mobile views. Make adjustments as needed for optimal visibility. Consider adding additional graphics for consistency, like business cards. Maintain a unified branding approach across social media platforms. Engage with your audience to gather feedback on your new branding. Stay open to making further tweaks as you grow. Finally, monitor your shop's performance to see how the new branding impacts your sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.